I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're about to remove an Azure account. Start by confirming you have global administrator or account owner rights so the portal allows deletion. Once that's verified, export billing data and resource configurations because deletion is irreversible. Make sure to cancel all active subscriptions and remove any resource locks or policies that prevent deletion. This clears blockers. If you use Microsoft Online Services, check that no tenant-wide obligations remain. Now proceed to the portal and sign in to the account you intend to delete. After signing in, go to Subscriptions and address each subscription. Transfer ownership where needed or cancel them to stop charges. Once subscriptions are resolved, move to Azure Active Directory, remove or reassign users, service principals, and enterprise applications so nothing prevents tenant deletion. Then inspect resource groups and delete any remaining resources. Azure won't delete a tenant with active resources. Make sure you wait for cancellations to complete and verify. There are no pending charges or compliance holds before continuing. Now navigate to Azure Active Directory, open Tenant Settings, and choose Delete Tenant. Follow the checklist presented, remove custom domains, service principals, and confirmed administrative accounts. Confirm each required checkbox and finalize the deletion. The portal will block you if items remain. If the process fails, check for lingering subscriptions, external identities, or role assignments. Sometimes background services or billing holds block deletion. If you're stuck, file a support request with Microsoft and include tenant ID and error details to get prompt resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.